All right, guys, I'm back. This is page 3 for 9.7. We've got this one up here. They're going to ask us to draw our own graph. Don't freak out. You know me. I'm not the best artist in the world, but we can do this. We can make this up as we go. But on Sandy's scale drawing of the school campus, 2 inches equals 4 yards. So there's our relationship, right? The distance between the swings and the track is 10 inches on the drawing, and the distance between the track and the base basketball court is 4 inches on the drawing. How much farther is the track from the swings than from the basketball court in actual distance? Okay, so they're asking us a little bit of a question here. If the distance between the swings and the track is 10 inches, that's over here. So we're gonna have to find our rule first, calculate that, and then compare the two. If we wanna compare things, we wanna find the difference, which is the answer to a subtraction problem. So let's take a look here and see if we can find our rule. 2 times what is 4? 2. So my rule is map times 2 equals distance. Okay, that's my rule. So I'm gonna take 10, I'm gonna multiply it by 2, and I'm gonna get 20. So I've got 20 yards. So the distance between the swings and the track is 10 inches, and the distance between the basketball court and the track is 4 inches. So I'm gonna compare this number to this number. And if I wanna compare them, I'm gonna find the difference, so it's the answer to a subtraction problem. So I go actual distance equals 20 minus 8, which equals 12 yards. Okay, so pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is the swings to the track, and this is the track and the basketball court. All right, boom, boom, 4 and 10. Now it says write them as ordered pairs and graph it. So our ordered pairs are gonna be 2, 4, this is my X, this is my Y, 4, 8, 6, 12, 8, 16, and 10, 20. All right, so if I'm gonna do my own graph, notice the graph down here, what it kind of looks like. I'm gonna draw this. Okay, and this is my X, so this is my map in inches. And this is my Y, so this is my distance over here. And that's in yards. All right. So I look at what I want for my X. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I need at least 5 lines, right? So I just go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And over here, I'm gonna go by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I don't have tons of space, so I'm just gonna go by 4s. And about the same distance. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And I write those values in. 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, and of course 0 at my origin. And then over here I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, and 10. Write those in, and then we just do our order pairs. 2 to 4, put a dot. 4 to 8, put a dot. Might help if I drew my lines all the way across. Notice it's not perfect. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and turn this into an art project. I'm just gonna do the best I can. So I've got 1 here, 1 there. It looks like it goes over 1, up 1. So I just keep going with that. And it's a relatively straight line if I go all the way back to the origin. So that's how we do that one. Take a look down here. Eric recorded the total number of push-ups he did each minute for 4 minutes. So, write my ordered pairs. I've got 1, 15, 2, 30, 3, 45, and 4, 60. So those are my ordered pairs. What's my rule gonna be? Well, I just look here at the small numbers. It's 1, so that makes it easy. What do I multiply 1 by to get 15? 15. So my rule is times 15. Write a rule So my rule is, I'm gonna write it over here. Rule equals time times 15 equals push-ups. He was pretty consistent. Starting at 0 minutes, he did 0 push-ups. But at 1, he did 15. So I go 1 and then up to 15. So it's over 1, up 1.5. 2 is at 30. See how it's right back on the line again? 15 is between 10 and 20. So you got to put a dot approximately. So I go over 1, up 1.5. Over 1, up 1.5. And I end up with 460, 345, etc., etc. And I just draw my line through there. Boom. Easy peasy. You guys got this. All right, last page coming up.